everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging a bit today. We're going to be getting into my summer Fab Fit Fun today. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have the trio of terror hanging out with me today. Willie's trying to help open the box ahead of me. That's Dexter. The white pupper is Loki. We hope you stick around. Hit that subscribe. Hang out with us for a while. So Fab Fit Fun is a lifestyle subscription box. You do have a ton of customizations, plus you fill out a profile, and it will offer you up things that most likely resonate with what you would like to be getting in your boxes. It could be anything from beauty products to kitchen or homeware, clothing, shoes, sunglasses, accessories, all the things you could be getting in those boxes. So, and then they offer you up like tons of customizations to choose from, so it gets even closer to what you wanted to spend your money on, as well as add-ons. So if you want to stock up on things, deeply discounted, you can get a ton of beauty products from them that are really at an amazing price. So I don't know why Dexter's is, they're both now chewing on the box to try to open it for me. So that's why Dexter is standing on me. All right, so the seasonal box is $79.99 and is billed quarterly, or you could just pay for it annually, and then it's $64.99 a box. So that comes out to like $260 a year for the entire season, and then you don't have to worry about it. But it does come out seasonally, so 4 times a year. All right, let's get into my box. Dexter, can I see my stuff, please, buddy? I'm getting all kinds of help from the trio of terror right now for some reason. All right. I love whenever you open it up and you see all kinds of fun summery things. So I like that girl on the ship, on the boat there, hanging out in the sun. It says sun's out, fun's out. It's adorable. All right, let's get into my box. I did have a couple of add-ons, so I did pay extra money for this box. But I'll go over all the things that were included, and then I'll tell you which ones were add-ons. All right, first up is the Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Face Serum, retailing for $92. And it says about this that it's a full-size item. You always get full-size items in FabFitFun. And this one is 1 full ounce. It says that it's a nightly essential, delivering results against fine lines, texture, with 3 retinol technologies showing visible transformation in just 14 days. Okay, clinically proven, it firms and brightens while remaining remarkably gentle, balanced by hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and botanicals. It's a sophisticated all skin type solution for an effortless, radiant glow while you sleep. So you must use it while at nighttime. And it has gotten some 5-star reviews. All right, I picked that one, so I'm looking forward to giving it a try. Next up is the Dibs Beauty Glow Tour Duo in Aura. $38 is the retail price. It's an easy duo featuring a pH-powered shimmer blush and a versatile dewy highlighter for the ultimate full face glow up. A little custom and a whole lot of you. Aura is here to bring your main character energy. So this has 2 different sides. So this one would be the dewy highlighter, I guess. Yeah, this would be the dewy highlighter, just nice and clear. And then the other side would be your, it doesn't look like it, but check that out. This would be your blush. When it first goes on, it's just nice and light, but it's getting pinker as it goes. Can you see that? It's getting pinker. What do you think, Dex? Yep. Oh, stop. Dexter likes to try everything out himself. Okay, okay. So yeah, you can really see the pink starting to show up here. Can you see that? And then that's the lighter side. It smells really good too. It smells good. All right, and then we have the Dibs Beauty Status Stick. That's the next one. This one is the High Road Shimmer and Shine from Head to Toe in the rich, best-selling High Road Highlight Stick. one of Refinery's 29's best innovative beauty products of 2021. Oversized stick for face and body, adds a skin-enhancing sheen anywhere you want it. Let's see if I can open this up and show you what it looks like. Retails for $36. Here's what it looks like. Oh, it's creamy. All right, it's all nice and creamy in there. Got some in there. And that's what it looks like. All right, so if I like rub that a bit, see how it gets all nice and shiny? So you could put it anywhere, I think. You see that? You can also see how pink the blush is now too. It's coming out really pink. But there's that extra shine from the dibs. That's nice. That was a really nice highlighter. I like that. I'm quite shocked when I first put that on, that did not look that pink. It's really pink. All right, next up we have the Isla Beauty Eye Stylist Shadow Stick. Or maybe it's Ilia. And it says this waterproof, sweat-proof eyeshadow stick is your ultimate shortcut to any artful look. The high-performance formula offers 12-hour wear that resists creasing, fading, and smudging. Use the versatile slanted tip for a matte base, precise lining, or shimmer highlighter. Oh, I see. See how it's, yeah, angled. Oh, that's pretty. Check that out. You can see that up here. Yeah, that's pretty. Hopefully it's showing up for you. I like that. That should be nice. All right, so far good. I think I picked pretty well. We'll find out though. The truth is when you see me every day in my what I wore outfit of the day videos, you get to see all the different makeups I have on. All right, next up, the Capitana Oversized Raffia Clutch. This retails for $79. It says the summer switch up, a chic, effortless paper straw essential. That's cute, right? It says wear it as a minimalist clutch or a crossbody with its removable chain. This lightweight, secure zipper closure piece is perfect for high summer style, moving seamlessly from beach to bistro. Featuring a durable polyester lining. It's a low maintenance, simply wipe clean. Dexter smells all the makeup on my hand and he's like interested in it. So this is a nice little clutch. It has the gold crossbody strap. Lots of room in here for keys, makeup, phone. So it's a really nice size and perfect for, yeah, for your summer soirees. I like that. I do have an extra Ilia eyeshadow stick. I'm wondering if I just couldn't decide between the two colors. So this one is more of a champagne shimmer and I just got them both. I think that sounds like me. So there's the second one beside the first. So it's much lighter. Yeah, I think that one's going to be nice too. I haven't tried this. If you've tried this brand, let me know. All right, $32 is the retail for that. All right, then we have the First Aid Beauty Anti-Chafe Stick with Shea Butter. Retails for 20 bucks. Love that. Anti-Chafe Stick is the ultimate skin peace offering. It creates a seamless, sweat-resistant barrier, gliding on smoothly for up to 10,000 steps of uninterrupted comfort. The soothing blend of shea butter and colloid oatmeal nourishes sensitive areas, thighs, underarms. Without grease or fragrance, is the invisible, low-maintenance essential, allowing you to focus on your destination, not your skin. So that's probably a good item to have in your bag. Let me see, is mine... Can I open it? I want to see what it smelled like, actually, is what I was trying to get at here. Oh, it's opening. You helping me, Will? There's no smell. No smell at all. All right. So next up is by Crystal Haze, and it's the Crystal Hand Chain. It retails for $120. It says, elevate your look with this modern linked hand chain, bridging the bracelet and ring for liquid elegance. Perfect for dressier occasions. This high-impact, low-effort piece is 18-karat gold or silver-plated brass with sparkling cubic zirconia. So that is really pretty. Hopefully you guys can see that. Very pretty. Let's see how. So this would be kind of like a bracelet. It goes from bracelet to your finger to your wrist, right? All right, so this is what it looks like once you get it on. See how you put it on your finger and then it runs down to your wrist where it is a bracelet and a ring. I like that it has the little sparkle to it. I'm wondering how I would make sure I didn't get it like hooked on anything. You know what I mean? Like making sure as I'm just going about my life, I don't like hook myself on anything to rip it, because it's really pretty. It's very pretty. You can make it as tight or as loose as you want it to try to hold it into place. I'm kind of holding it at different, like, so I could hold it like really like that, or we could loosen it all the way up. So then you have it like really moving around. Anyway, it's very, very pretty. Okay, next up. This is the Ahava 24 karat gold mud mask. So this retails for $79. It is called the 24 karat gold mineral mud mask. It says elevate your weekly ritual with a decadent 10-minute mud mask infused with Dead Sea minerals and 24 karat gold. The Midas touch treatment smooths, firms, and deeply hydrates for an illuminated glow. It's the ultimate guilt-free indulgence, vegan-free, alcohol-free, and pregnancy safe. So that'll be a fun one to try as well. I think now that was everything that was in my original box, including I think the extra eyeshadow stick by Ilia that I added. Then I have two add-ons. I have this, the All About the Base Duo Foundation brush, Foundation Duo. So I was looking for a new brush. It says the dual-ended brush features a large head for seamless foundation application and a smaller tapered end for precise concealer blending. Its synthetic bristles provide a streak-free airbrush. It was $6 it retails for, so I didn't pay a whole lot for it, but it was a great brush I could get as an add-on. And then, because I knew I needed one and it was the perfect timing. And then the other one is the Elemis Pro Collagen Rosemarine Cream. I really like this cream, so I figured I would grab it while I could get it cheaper than it normally is. I got it for $39.99. It says the cream that started it all, reimagined with a calming rose-infused scent. This soothing cream is proven to significantly reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in just 2 weeks while quenching skin with 24 hours of hydration. So, in love with this. All right, and that is everything. That was a lot, right? Got my brush, my face cream, my chafing stick. I have my new jewelry here, which I think is going to be fun. And then I have the 24 karat gold mud mask. I have new eyeshadow sticks, not one, but two. I have the highlighter, the body and face highlighter, which really does highlight. I like it here. I have the Glow Up, which is this fun blush, as well as the highlighter. And then I also have my retinol youth serum, which is going to make me young again. I think that's everything. This was a great FabFitFun. Let me know what you think. I'll put all the information for FabFitFun down below. If you use my link, you should get money towards your first box. I have fun with this one. Like I said, amazing customizations. I almost forgot about the bag too. I have the little bag that I'm going to use for my vacations this year. I do think this is a great box for each and every season. I do think there's so much customizations that you should be getting things that you really do like and will use. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you go. Swipe to hype, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.